Okay, we are in Iowa today, May 21st. Moderate risk, 15% hatch tornado. Cold front coming in, really good environment. And I have no idea. 55 knot moving storms. Going to be difficult to keep up with it. Very good tornado potential, but we'll see if we end up in the right place at the right time to watch one of these and then see if they go flying by, because 60 mile per hour storm is very difficult to chase. But I'm still looking for my first Iowa tornado, so today. And that blob is a tornado warned storm we're waiting for. Moving 45 knots. Don't want to get on it too close, too soon. Need to wait, but hopefully it's awesome. Rain curtains are wrapping left to right. You see the rain just wrapping around that area? I mean, that whole thing is rotating. Oh! Well, we got one tornado. This tornado number 2 is probably going to happen right over here. You can see that in the lowering back in there in the rain. Not very visible though. Oh, I see that. Oh, that looks like RFD cut.
Could be tornado number 3.
Maybe. That still looks like something.
There's a core of rain behind it. It's on a bowl there, definitely.
What do we see? That looks like rain.
Yeah, just here.
Yeah.
Right of the rain.
Oh, another.
You see it?
Yeah, another tornado.
Where?
Just behind.
Just above us. Yeah,
Come
just
in.
above us, man.
Can we stop right above?
No.
Yeah,
Oh wow. It's on the ground just over there.
Hold on. I don't know what you I
Yeah,
can't see it.
it's on the ground. Just
Disappear.
yeah, get out. Yeah, go.
Was growing very disappear.
I know. I don't want to get. I don't know the situation at all.
Yeah,
so.
yeah. It seems to have. Oh yeah, no, it's just behind the hill there.